Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the Movies Edge application, and after that here you will set just different AOD terms. You can select one from this term or just stay with like in my case with this one, but I'll just select the new one, for example this. Here click just to apply. You can edit here this time. You can change the size of the clocks or the time color and just the clock color and the date color, so notifications color, so we can the music controls color. So here we have a lot of different options. Also we can here switch the backgrounds of the AOD, as can you see. For example this one, just apply that. I'll apply this one. Also we can switch here the music controls just to hide them after 30 seconds. We can switch it just to don't hide them, for example, or just after 10 seconds. Also we can show just to show on the AOD incoming notifications. We just should click here on the switcher to activate it by the same way like to show the date by this way. Also we can switch here also the battery status just to show it always while device charging or just to don't show it. And also we have here another settings section. Just click here, tap to the AOD, and here we can also just switch the show time of the always on display, always while device charging, and when we'll play the music, or for example only when we'll play the music or while device charging, or just switch it to always. Here also we can change the screen tone mode from 1 second minutes just to an hour. We can also decrease the brightness level to 100%, for example, or just to make it just 30% if you want. And we can also close the AOD feature by double tap on the screen and or by single tap. And also we can close with the help of the fingerprint if you have set up the fingerprint to your scanner here. And also we can just turn off or turn on just the shadow feature. Just we can set here the start and end time just to show the AOD. So that's it. That's all of the features which we can customize our always on display. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.